You can download the art seen in the video for free, link in the description. If you want to fix the transparency of sprites in your scene and make the opacity constant, add a CanvasGroup node to your scene. Grab all the sprites that you want to make their opacity constant of and make it a child of that CanvasGroup. Reset the visibility of the modulate for those sprites. Now, when you want to change the opacity, go to the CanvasGroup, then select visibility and go to self-modulate and change it there. This will make the opacity constant. Now, if you want to have a sprite that goes behind one of the sprites within the CanvasGroup but in front of the others, first add a sprite as a child of that sandwich node. Then what we will do is we'll imitate the sprite we want in front of our sandwich node. First, we'll grab the texture of that sprite. We will then head to the sandwich node and we will enable clip children, clip plus draw. We will then go to the child sprite and add a script. In the script, we will first establish it as a tool so its code runs in the Godot editor. We will then create an export variable that will grab the node that we want to imitate being in front of the sandwich node. Next, in the physics process function, we will check if the export variable has been set, because as this is running in the Godot editor, if we don't, we'll get a bunch of errors. If it has been set, we'll copy the global transform, which includes the scale, rotation, and position. We will then also copy the self-modulate of the node we want to imitate. Finally, go to the assign button and select the node you want to put in front. Save the scene and close it, and then reopen it. We can now grab our sandwich node and put it in between the CanvasGroup sprites. Keep in mind that you do not need to use the export method for grabbing the node that you want to imitate. It doesn't really matter what method that you use, you just simply need to grab the node that you want to imitate. The only reason why I use the export method is because it allows me to grab any sprite within the game without having any dependencies.